data visualization in many different formats and with many different outputs. We are not expert in a specific field of information, but we work transversely with different sectors, such as cultural sectors, as museums, or we work with non-profit and organizations like the United Nations or the Gates Foundation, but also with tech companies such as Google and IBM. And every time we shape the way that our clients interact with information.
Layer multiple data set that would talk about different aspects of our relationship with the environment we live in, and to layer them one on top of each other, to stack them into this data wallpaper in a way that would hopefully create a beautiful image.
For more than 30 years, the science has been crystal clear. How dare you continue to look away?
I voli cancellati, bloccate anche strade, treni e pure l'alta velocità per Madrid.
So we proposed design takes on human survival be rather changed to design takes on human sustainability. We propose to change the room of change. Time keeps flowing from the very ancient time to the present and to many more future generations to come. With time comes changes. When we are in the middle of a change, we cannot really perceive it, but if we take a step back and look back at decades, the change is very much there. Hence, change is perceived at a distance, but it really is in the microsecond in which a change is made and then it impacts our planet. The 3-wall long tapestry consists of a repetitive pattern based on a data. This data is frozen in time and cannot provide any more information for the future generations, thereby defeating the very purpose of the exhibition. We want to introduce 2 projectors on the ceiling of the room to provide digital data for every small change happening around the world and then making a pattern out of it. For digital data, there is no limit as to how much information we can store and produce. It is also very swift. The information can be received and simultaneously be converted into a pattern. So, say for example, a glacier melts in Antarctica, or a fire emerges in the forest, or Trump calls out Muslims again. The information will pop up as a hologram for people to read, and it will then be converted into the existing pattern. Thus, there will be no end to this tapestry.